All right, so you'll have to excuse the lighting. It's not the best, and I'm freehanding this from my tablet. So just a few small changes so far here in the hobby room. Since my wife, we're trying to make it better so that she can actually use this room as well. And I have my dresser here, which has a few parts of the stash on there, just a few things. It was getting over kind of out of hand, I guess you would say. And so we decided to put up some shelves, or I did. And basically from here, which there's the door where you come in. So from here all the way to the corner. And then from that corner coming around. And right now we're above the workbench. This is the light that shines down onto the workbench where we've got the New Orleans and the 37 Chevrolet. And then of course down here next to the computer we have the in progress build shelf. Those are all the in progress. And then coming up we have two more shelves, mostly with trumpeter ships, well, three of them. And then it's kind of hard because there's not a lot of light back there. If I turn this on, it kind of might help. There we go. So some in progress as well, like the Sherman tank, the Star Trek Mr. Spock, a few other kits. And then up top here, we have the two JJ prizes, another Evolution, which... that is such a cool plane. I don't know if I've showed it to you guys yet, but I have two of them. One of them I'm giving away to HobbyLink International for one of their monthly giveaways. So basically, yeah, this is kind of the state of the hobby room at the moment. And then the paint booth still has yet to come outside. There's the little paint rack, but I've got some stuff inside the paint booth here. The paint booth will actually be going out to the garage at some point, so we can use this space for games, or my wife can use it for sewing or whatnot, or just doing other crafts maybe while I'm in here working on the computer. So that is basically that. I am upgrading my exhaust system on this. I'm going to get a little different exhaust for it because the two fans just don't seem to be pushing enough air. So, and then of course, you know, we've got the more supplies and paints and things like that. And that I'm trying to get all of this stuff organized as well. And so I can get it organized and out of the way so we can better utilize this room. Yep, so there you go. That is a kind of brief update on what's happening. Before I can get the paint booth out to the workshop or the shop, I need to do some cleaning out there and kind of clean off my workbench and move a few things around like my drill press and all that. So we'll get there. And the paints obviously will be staying inside because I don't want the paints to either freeze or get too hot with this crazy weather that we have here in California. So there you go.